ITW acquired the Devcon brand of coatings and adhesives in the 70s. This is the Danvers, Massachusetts facility. This is where Devcon was founded in the 50s. Creighton was the founder of Devcon. He was looking for a safer alternative to welding. One of his friends who had been in the army, who had survived the perils of war, died while he was repairing a fuel tank. And that's what drove Al to look for a safer, non-flammable alternative to welding. And that's how plastic steel was born.
Plastic steel potier was our very first product developed, commonly used to repair pumps, pipes, and chutes. You can drill it, tap it, and machine it. Pretty much wherever you have metal, you can use this product to repair it. Since then, we've developed wearing compounds, coatings, and belt repair products.
Our philosophy is to partner with customers when developing a new product. This effort begins with our teams working closely with our customers in the field to understand their pain points and unmet needs. Our technical team then designs innovative products that eliminate customer problems and provide value-added solutions.
We validate and prove out our products using industry standard equipment such as an Instron machine.
Quality starts at the top here and works its way down into everything we do. We source quality raw materials for our products, and our production staff is made up of highly trained, experienced operators. And we test each batch 100% before it leaves the facility. And it's all to make sure that our customers are satisfied when they go to use our products.
The Devcon brand of products is used by customers all over the world. Our team is highly dedicated to providing our customers with superior support and exceptional service.